Okay, so you've weighed up all the pros and cons, taken a deep breath and decided to go ahead with bankruptcy. So what next? The first step is to contact a registered trustee to help you through the process. You must file all legal forms with the Australian Financial Security Authority, or AFSA. That's the government body which handles bankruptcy. The bankruptcy laws require that you file the following forms: a debtor's petition, a statement of affairs, and an acknowledgement that you have received and read the prescribed information. These are all available on AFSA's website, afsa.gov.au. Now, when the forms are processed, you're officially declared. A trustee will be appointed to manage your case. Your bankruptcy will now stay in place for 3 years and 1 day. Now, although that debt has been cancelled, your trustee is still entitled to try to recoup some of what's owed. To do that, they can sell assets like shares, investments, holiday houses and boats to help pay off your debts, sell your house, depending on how much equity you have in it, and whether it's jointly or solely owned, and they can chop up your credit cards. You can't take on new debt like a credit card or car loan without the court's permission. Your earnings are limited to $37,146 after tax, with a percentage of anything over that going towards recouping your debts. Some of your assets are protected. You can own a vehicle worth less than $6,600, tools under a certain value, and any normal voluntary superannuation contributions are safe. You can also keep your passport, although you do need to get permission from your trustee to actually go overseas. By the same token, some of your debts are also protected, so going bankrupt will not cancel your mortgage, HECS repayments or court fines. Your bankruptcy will be listed on your credit report for 2 years from the date of your discharge, or up to 5 years from the date you became bankrupt. It will also appear on a publicly accessible register called the National Personal Insolvency Index forever. Bankruptcy may also have an effect on your occupation, preventing you from holding various licenses, including builder's licenses, a real estate license, liquor license, a tax agent's license, and others. And importantly, you cannot act as a director of any company without approval. So it's all done, and now what? You have a fresh start and some new challenges. Your credit rating, which probably wasn't that great to start with, has taken a hit. Lenders see you as a bad risk because you've legally written off at least some of your past debts. For a period of time, you may not be able to get a loan or credit card. And once you do, the interest rates and fees attached could be punishing. It also means adopting a very no-frills lifestyle, changing the basics in your life, like how much you pay for shelter and groceries. And remember, you can't take on new debt like a credit card or car loan during this time without the court's permission. But at the end of the reorganisation, your obligations are gone and your money is your own again. But the fact that you've declared bankruptcy, even though you may have paid back some of your debt, will stay with you for years from the date you filed your case. So, what can you do to avoid finding yourself in this situation? Develop good financial practices with the help of your financial advisor. Developing good financial habits is the only way you can be assured that you will not be accumulating negative listings on your credit report. Some simple ways of developing good financial practices are to start budgeting, spend less than you earn, cut up those unused high-interest credit cards, switch your expensive debt into cheaper credit facilities, allocate your savings to debt repayment, and importantly, undertake proper business improvement strategies. So that's a very simple overview of bankruptcy. Please feel free to contact me with any of your questions, or if you would like any further information on the financial options we recommend to our clients here at KSM Group.